Hi, I'm Dr. Ward. In this series of videos, we're going to show you how to do dimensional analysis step by step. We'll start with some of the fundamental mathematical qualities that allow us to do dimensional analysis. Then we'll walk through a series of increasingly complex types of problems that you might have to do using dimensional analysis. Which begs the question, what is dimensional analysis? Well, the textbook definition is that it's a systematic way of solving problems in which we want to convert from one unit to another while retaining the original value of that measurement. It goes by different names and different facts. There's almost a 100% chance that you've done dimensional analysis before in your everyday life without even realizing it. The difference is when you do this on your own, the units you use are much more common than what we might use in chemistry, and you probably don't set them up in the very specific way that we will. You would be an exchange rate if we were talking about currency. In medicine, it's called the dose on hand method. You might have heard it called the factor label method. It goes by all sorts of names. But it's a vital tool that we use in many different ways and in many different contexts in the course of learning chemistry. So in the first video, we're going to cover those math concepts. In the second video, we'll go through some simple 1- and 2-step dimensional analysis conversions. In the third video, we'll expand to multi-step conversions and conversions that involve more than one unit being converted simultaneously. Then we will go on to how we deal with squared and cubed units, think cubic centimeters. And then finally, we'll do a video where there'll just be a bunch of different types of mixtures of problems that we will walk through step by step and show you how to apply what we've learned in those first videos. Now, that first video where we cover some of the math concepts that underlie dimensional analysis should be mostly review. You might be comfortable skipping to the second video where we get into some of the problems themselves and the step-by-step dimensional analysis. If you get into that video and you find you're struggling with some of those concepts, you can always go back and watch that first video later. So let's get to it. And yes, by the way, I did say mathemagical. It's a Donald Duck reference. Google it. Let's get to it.